With Linkjoy, you can build your own curated pages. Basically, those are micro landing pages you can customize with an easy to drop visual builder. So let's take a look at how this is set up. So from the left hand menu, you can go to created pages. And from here, you can create your own micro landing page. So let's name it, for example, PitchGround Demo. And let's do PG_demo. And then get started. Once you created your URL, you will get into the template creation. So you can choose any number of these templates, as you can see here, or you can start from scratch. So let's do that. And from here, you will see that you will have a black canvas, but you can fill in all the details you want right inside of this block editor. You can disable blocks, you can add blocks to it, whatever you want to. Let me prepare a quick demo of how a page could look like, and I will get right back to you. So I've just created a small landing page. So it's containing the PitchGround logo, explore our deals with a button straight through the deals, and a nice looking slider. So if you take a look there, it looks great, and it looks great on mobile, it looks great on desktop, and it looks great on tablet as well. So let's save and publish this, and then let's take a look at how this really looks like on the front end. And as you can see, we can explore the deals. It goes directly to the PitchGround deals page. You can also have the slider, right? So this is a nice looking slider, and you can choose between several sliders, but each slide will have its own link, and you can include really looking sliders from here. You can follow us on social media, and you can also remove the Powered by Linkjoy if you want to. So if we take a look and go to personalize, you can remove the Powered by Linkjoy, and there we go. So if we take another look now, you'll see that Powered by Linkjoy is now being removed, and it's just a great way of creating those micro landing pages, because it takes less than a minute to set up. As you can see here, it took me about a minute to set this small looking landing page up, and you can do all kinds of things. You can add blocks, you can add videos, so videos from YouTube, you can include your Instagram feed. So let's say if we are going to include PitchGround, you can see that you can also choose your layout. So if you want a layout that's 50-50, you have a nice looking layout of your Instagram feed. You can also do it this way. You really have a nice looking landing page. So building micro landing pages with Linkjoy is not only good and easy to do, but it also provides you with a lot of valuable analytics. So if we press save and we go back and we go to the dashboard, you will now see analytics appearing. And as you can see, it will also display the browser I'm using. In this case, it's Opera, and where I'm from. So if we take a look here, you will see that I am logging in from Hungary. So using curated pages with Linkjoy is a great way of setting up landing pages and understanding where your audience is coming from.